to do is I had a dear friend of mine mention that in my first video that I did, I didn't really go into the kinds of brushes that I like to use. I think you would do great with just 3 different brushes. Now, the brushes that I used were Angela Bright's brushes from Sigma. It's her pick. They're not really her brushes, but really just 3 brushes, or just 1 brush really is all you need. My favorite is a brush that looks like this. This is the Sigma E20, I can't see, E25. So this is what it looks like. It's compared to my hand like that. It's fluffy, and there's makeup on it. It's fluffy yet really easy to use, and the reason why I like these Sigma brushes is because they hold the pigment on there really well, and it just all gets on your eyelids, and it's awesome. So this one you could use for your base color. You can use for in the crease color. You can use for underneath to blur it out some. You can use it for all of it. You can even dot it, which I like to use my fingers a lot. So this is the next brush that you're going to need, which is your pointer finger or your pinky. The pinky you could put on the for the inner corner. You stick it on the white or the silver or whatever. Stick it right on there in the middle corner, and then you can even use it to go up here on to highlight your eyebrow. You can get just any kind of brush that's like that. It's perfect. It's like the universal brush. Now, my other good brush is this white one. It's a Morphe Jaclyn Hill, and it's just like a little tiny pencil brush compared to this one. See how little it is? This is the one I like to use on my corner and to highlight my brow bone. That's my favorite one. It's perfect. It's perfect for it. It just dollops it right there, and it's right here. I've also used it to go underneath with the shadow, and that works out good. So that's 2 that I want. And then the third one, this one's an angle thick brush. This is also a Morphe brush. Morphe is just fantastic. Morphe and Sigma, but Sigma, I'm telling you, when I got these, I'll put a link to her set. Hey, Zoe, my puppy, one of them. I'll put a link to her set, and then I'll have a picture up here of her box set that is her favorite picks, and I'm telling you, she's fantastic. But anyway, this one is good for blending, or you could just go back to this one and use it to blend, and you're just gonna just go on top lightly, and it works great. Now, for the rest of my face, I don't ever put anything on the rest of my face. All I do is I put stuff around my eyes. That's it. I wear a mask most of the time for work, and then I just put chapstick or lip gloss on my lips. I don't even wear a mask going into buildings. I wear a mask going to work. We have to wear a mask anywhere other than our desk. So I've got a mask on constantly at work. So there's really no point in doing the rest of your face. Just from here and up if you want. I mean, you can put stuff here, but I don't. I just put stuff on my eyes. That's usually what I do anyway. If I was to do anything, it would have been just a highlighter, or you can put moisturizer on your face, or primer with SPF, sunblock stuff in it. Would be really helpful. But that is my main brushes that I use, and these are what they look like right here. And this one I could really live without it. I mean, it's a great brush, but so two brushes that you could really use and be successful with your makeup. It's just fantastic. And let's see, I think that's it. That's just a quick little brush preference for me and what I like to use. And just know you don't need anything fancy. I did pick up some little makeup palette at my Walmart, and if it's at my Walmart, it's going to be at everybody's Walmart because we hardly ever get anything. I got, so I'm going to do a quick video on that after this, just doing the swatch. So I won't do any looks. I'll probably do the looks tomorrow with the palette because I think it's really super cute and I love it. I was excited that my Walmart had it, and my Walmart usually doesn't have stuff like that. So I was very excited, and that's it. But if you like this video, thanks for watching, and please subscribe, and you can leave comments below. But thank you. See y'all later.